Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error 0xc000000f blue screen of that error, then watch the video to find the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is need to hard shut down the PC. For that we will keep pressing the power button until the PC shuts down. Once it shuts down, we will turn the power button on and we will enter the advanced options mode or the advanced startup mode. It depends from computer to computer, so just google it on how to enter the advanced options mode. And then in the advanced options mode we will go to troubleshoot, then we will click on advanced options and we will click on command prompt. Once you enter command prompt window, there you input the command, that is chkdsk space /f space/r and press enter. Then you press Y and you press enter, and this will repair any uh, corrupt sectors on your hard drive. Now this is for this error usually occurs in the uh, old HDD drives and not the new SSD drives. And then you can enter another command in command prompt, which is bootrec bootrec /rebuildrec and press enter. Now it should start working. Your computer should boot, but if it doesn't, then you need to reset your computer. For that, you will need to hard shut down the computer by keep pressing on the power button till the computer switches off. And then you need to again enter the advanced options mode. So press the power button and press the required key for your system, and then you go to the advanced options menu. So there you go to troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then click on reset this PC. Once you click on reset this PC, you click on remove all personal files, click on that, and then you click on cloud install. Once you click on cloud install, you click on next, and your computer should reinstall the Windows version, and then it should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.